The world of Android is about to witness something different. Nothing OS 4 isn't just a routine upgrade, it's a calculated leap forward. Slated to run on Android 16, this new operating system is gearing up to deliver smarter AI-powered features, smoother performance, and a user interface that promises to be cleaner, sharper, and more aligned with Nothing's vision. While the company hasn't officially revealed everything yet, Carl Pei, CEO of Nothing, has already confirmed key details. OS 4 will debut first on the Nothing Phone 3 and will later roll out to older models, following a roadmap that's both faster and better organized than previous releases. Artificial intelligence will play a major role in Nothing OS 4. While specifics remain under wraps, the company is clearly focusing on creating a faster, more intelligent experience. One where AI tools make everyday interactions smarter and more fluid. Performance upgrades are already in development, and users can expect quicker responsiveness across apps, menus, and system functions. More importantly, the update deepens the integration of the brand's signature Glyph interface. The LED system on the back of the Nothing Phone 3 could support new functions like minigames and contextual notifications, making the hardware feel more alive and intuitive than ever. Nothing OS 4 will follow a phased rollout strategy similar to OS 3 but with notable speed improvements. Based on last year's timeline, Nothing OS 3 entered open beta in October 2024 and saw a stable release in December, extending into early 2025. This year, the open beta is expected to launch earlier, likely in Q3 2025, giving developers and users a head start to explore, test, and help polish the software before final release. The Phone 3 will receive the update first, followed by the Phone 2, 2A, and 2A+. After that, the Phone 3A, 3A Pro, CMF Phone 1, and CMF Phone 2 Pro are next in line. What makes OS 4 stand out isn't just its Android 16 base, but Nothing's own additions. The UI is reportedly getting a major design refresh that simplifies navigation while enhancing customization. Glyphs will play a more functional role, not just for aesthetics, but also for actionable interactions. AI integration is expected to drive features like predictive actions, improved voice commands, and personalized settings, adjustments based on usage behavior. According to sources close to the development, as noted by Carl Pei and Nothing's release roadmap, the entire process this year seems far more structured. If all stays on schedule, the stable version of Nothing OS 4 is expected to roll out around December 2025. This software update will be free for all eligible Nothing devices, but the OS itself will ship first with the Nothing Phone 3, which currently starts at around $499. Nothing OS 4 might just be the version that cements Nothing as more than just a design-centric brand. It could finally define its place in the Android ecosystem.